Hey, I'm Nico Hammer with Olympia Orthopaedic Associates. We're here today with David Kinney, our all-star, who's going to be sharing his story about his total knee replacement, which is truly inspiring. What was going through your mind when it happened? Were you just like...
Oh, it was crazy. I was just walking on a little running trail kind of thing. Walking, all of a sudden the knee gave out. I had to call my wife to bring me a walking stick so I could get back home. So then I had microscopic surgery in Seattle on it, and it was a little better for a while, but then it just kept getting worse and worse. I've been having troubles with this knee for 4 to 6 years probably. Matter of fact, I went to physical therapy before, and they stopped it. They said, until you can get these knees fixed, you can't walk straight on the treadmill, so we can't help you anymore.
At what point were you like, okay, Olympia Orthopaedics is where I'm gonna go for knee surgery?
After, they did all the MRIs and everything and showed it, then I went to see Dr. A. They have a level of like 1 to 4 on how bad the knee is, and I was like a 3.5.
Oh, wow.
When I first saw David, he was very stiff in range of motion, and he's come a long way since that point. And he's doing a lot better, more functional motion now, and he was also very weak in quad strength, and now he's doing, as you can see, single leg squats a lot tougher than what he started out doing.
Team's great here. I've been at it for 2 months now since my surgery. We go 2 mini sessions on the same weight. We try to up it another 5-10 pounds. The first couple of weeks I couldn't lift this foot.
Really?
It wouldn't move. I would try to lift it, and it wouldn't move. And we've already got my exit date to be October 1st.
Do you have any cool, you got a cool battle wound there, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
And that's Michelle. She does all the suturing. You can't rush it all you want to, because you got this part of you that's not working right.
Where did you hear about Olympia Orthopaedics?
Well, this was pretty simple.
Yeah.
My family doctor.
Would you recommend them for other friends?
I wouldn't go to anyone else.
Yeah. What a great story. Now, for many of you who are in David's similar situation where you might not know where to run for an orthopedic injury, we really encourage you to come to Olympia Orthopaedics for your care. So if you do go and visit our website, www.olyortho.com, you'll be able to see our patient resource tab and our success stories. And you'll find many others like David who are sharing their story to encourage those who are sitting in your situation for better care.